Hi, I'm Alexis, owner and designer at MergeAndCenter, a shop that specializes in digital and printable templates. This is the Pregnancy Planner tutorial video. The Pregnancy Planner is a Google Sheets template that will help you keep every aspect of your pregnancy organized digitally. So let's take a look at some of its tools and features. This template has 8 sheets. The daily planner, checklists, contacts, baby names, event planning, questions, birth plan, and customized sheet. The daily planner is a practical place to track things like your weight, your gestational week, vitamins, exercise, symptoms and emotions you're having, as well as things like kick counts. The checklist sheet is what it sounds like, and it includes checklists for the registry and baby items, before baby arrives to-do lists, and hospital bag packing lists for you and your partner. The contacts and appointments sheet is a place for contact info like your OBGYN doctor, midwife, doula, pediatrician, and your all-important emergency contacts. The baby names sheet is a place to jot down baby name ideas, origins, or meanings, and mark which names are your favorites. The event planning sheet is a place to plan your gender reveal, baby shower, or any other special occasion event for baby. The questions sheet is optimized for mobile phone viewing, so you can jot down your question, who to ask, and you can put your answers in there as well. Your birth plan is optimized for printing, and you can craft your birth plan with confidence and list all of your medical conditions, your labor room preferences, and much more. So let's get started. When you first get the pregnancy planner open, it's going to look something like this. You're going to want to do a couple of things to get it set up. So first, go to the customize sheet. You're going to want to enter your baby's due date and their name if you already have it. Then go back to the daily sheet and double click on cell B4. That's the very first date cell that appears here. Select the date that you're going to start using the daily planner. You'll notice that today is highlighted orange. The start and end kick count columns will automatically calculate. So if you add 9:30 a.m. for when you start doing a kick count, and then maybe you stop at 9:40, it's going to calculate that 10-minute duration for you. These checkboxes above can be used for either Kegel counting or kick counting, and you can highlight all of them and press spacebar to quickly uncheck them all again for later use. The checklist sheet comes with 3 columns: the registry baby items, the before baby to-do list, and the hospital bag checklist. And there's lots of empty spaces for you to customize these as well. The contacts sheet has some drop downs so that you can identify what type of contact you're adding here. The baby names sheet has the ability for both parents to vote on their favorite name. The event planning sheet will automatically calculate the people that have said they're going to attend your event. So if, for example, I invite 5 people in this group and 3 people in this group, and then I select that one of them is going to attend, that number of people that I said is in that group is going to be added to the RSVP row here. The questions to ask sheet is optimized for phone viewing, so that's why it's extra big. Don't forget to log your answers here as well, and then you can check that the question was answered once you have that answer. The birth plan sheet is optimized for printing, and you can find the printing instructions for it on the customized sheet. Notice how some of these cells are this like tan yellow color. Those are cells that you can type into with text. And once I do so, they turn white to indicate that I've addressed those cells. Everything else here is a checkbox, and we'll turn this nice dark bold color once I've checked it so that when you print, you're focused on what you've selected here. Lastly, the customized sheet also contains instructions for how to customize all your drop-down menus. Here are the printing instructions for the birth plan that I mentioned. And at the bottom here, we have a lot of other links and resources. Thank you so much for purchasing the pregnancy planner.